elementary school of Heinfeld in Lower Austria has exciting weeks behind it. The Institute for Interior Analysis measured the air quality in classroom 1A during classes, with and without air filters. The results are beyond all expectations. The setting for the field study was a first-grade classroom at the Heinfeld Elementary School. With the help of numerous sensors and measuring devices, the indoor air experts wanted to find out under which conditions the children can learn best.
Damit man ungestört lernen kann.
Healthy and clean indoor air is the core competence of Austro-American air filter technology manufacturer Dexwet. The sustainable air filters are simply attached to conventional radiators by magnetic cells. The service team ensures that not only the room air, but also radiators and filters are cleaned. Dexwet air filters work on the principle of convection, which means through the circulation of cold-warm air over the radiators. This Austrian-developed technology is sustainable, silent, and requires no monthly maintenance. But how can this upheaval work against pollen and particulate matter in summer?
We use the intelligence of nature to do filtration, and so normal heat radiators that only had one function are now converted to a complete multifunctional device with our technology. You can not only filter pathogens out of the air stream and create more healthy air conditions within the room. Allergic people who will suffer less of pollen and also dust allergies.
Fine dust, allergens, viruses, bacteria, and pollen should no longer have any impact on school operations and the learning success of our children. The data captured by the Institute for Interior Analysis have proven that the air quality increases many times over with suitable room filters. Dexwet supplies the technology and the expertise, and thus ensures health and well-being.